Hi guys, and so today we are going to be playing Animal Company. Happy. Okay, anyways, not anyways. Okay, so I don't know what to do, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys, hope you have a wonderful day and bye. Okay, I was kidding. I feel like I forgot something. You. And why don't you like and subscribe and hit the you hit the red button, I guess. Okay, anyways, read this. See, we are not focusing. Hey guys, you're just gonna see me. Oh, it disappears. Let's see if I can glitch it. Wait. It doesn't appear on the camera. Okay. So why does it not appear on the camera? Okay, anyways, like and subscribe if you want to, cause I'm not asking you, but if you want to. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the lake. Did I say lake? I meant lake. We're gonna go over there, and then I'm gonna end the video, cause I want to. Okay, now, let's get into the series part, which is called the. Okay, I was kidding. Me. Hannah. Okay, no more of that. Hope you like and subscribe. Wait, I already said that like 2 times. Why would I make that? And like and subscribe so I don't fall. Ah! Okay, anyways. Let's go. Wait. We already made it. So this is the end of the video. Which this is a short video, I think. So yeah. Like and subscribe if you want to. So yeah. Okay, I'm just looking at my phone and there's something there. Okay, anyways, bye.